Kdenlive 20.08.1 and just making sure 20.08.1. I know it looks like 20.04, but there are a little editing with the two windows. It makes your image smaller over here. It's a smaller window. And I like a little bigger so I can see what I can do. And I can switch between clip and monitor real quick. Okay. What we're going to do is I have a clip, a little beach scene. I got my little logo here. Supposedly my name. I'm going to show you two ways to put a PNG on the beach. And it just so happens to be a picture of some guy I know. Okay, first way. I got this, and I'll show you in the clip. PNG, hey, right in the middle. Cool. And I'm gonna take and drag it down here. And go over here. Go back to project monitor. Okay, I just stuck it in the picture. Now, the only way I can move this guy is doing it this way, is with the transform. So I'm going to highlight that clip or picture, PNG, double click transform, and I'm going to make it a little bigger, 150. There he is. Now I grab the center of the transform and I can move this guy around, as you can see. Okay, so say I want to put him right here. And I say, okay, that's good. I'll click outside the box and we'll do control home, play with spacebar or hitting the little thing. Spacebar works. And here's the guy, and he was there. Okay. Well, let's make him a little longer. Let's let him last a bit. Come on, man. Control home. Spacebar. There he is. PNG superimposed over a video. Really easy, really quick. Just use PNG, use the transform, make it big. You can change the size, move it around. Now, the other way, add a title clip, which really is creating title or pictures as a PNG. Well, title PNG. Let's say I'm going to add that same picture to this title. There he is. Hey, and I can just move him around where I want him. Now, the problem is he's a little small. Now, I happen to know up here width and height, in a title, I can change that. I think it's about 1250. And it's going to be similar to the other guy. Let's put him here and compare him. Great title. Got a title. I can put it above this other guy. I have two of them. Go back here. Project. Here's that guy, the first one, we're using the transform. And the second guy, pause, using the make a title. So if I edit this, and I click on that guy, I go, let's make him 1350. He's still not the same size. I can just run this arrow up. And he's getting bigger and bigger. And as he goes bigger, the whole box moves. Because we're changing the height of the box. And that means that the width of the box is changing. So it's changing its location. The other guy we see right now, he'll go away when I update the title. I'm just holding that key. So let's say, well, man, it looks like about 1520. Let's try that. 1520. Okay, this guy is almost the same. 1530. We can do it this way. To get as high, okay, 1560. If we want to get that exact. Yeah, look at that guy. He's still not big enough. 1600. That's if we wanted them both to be the same size. I mean, this is kind of a moot point, but it looks like he's almost the same. Okay, so I say update clip. And go home, control home. First one, form would just making a static image and using transform. Second one, using a title clip. Either one we can move. Okay, that guy disappeared, but either one achieves the same end. So just a little trick. Pull that over there. And of course, let's get rid of that guy. We'll just go with this guy. And again, we can change the size here by percentage. And we can drag it all the way out. And then we can click in here and say, let's go back a little bit. We're in this one. Fade out. Double click. Let's play it. We can use all these effects. Now, I haven't tried to use every effect, but let's go in here because now we're in here. If we look, we have all our effects that we've done to this. Here's the transform. So let's say, God, I want that guy looking bigger. Let's go 200%. Click it. And let's go see how big that guy looks now. Hey, he looks bigger. And I go, but man, he's pushing himself over. So we'll go back to the transform. And when you click on the transform and in there, you'll see the center of the picture of the PNG. I can move them all over the place. I like that one. And we're going to play this again. Two ways to do the same thing. Now, in the previous video, I'm sure you've seen me, if you watch my videos, go in and just mute an audio that I just don't want to see. Well, that's fine. But I've muted it so that data, when you render it, is still adding to the file size. So if you're definitely not going to use the audio, then you may as well go up here to ungroup clips, click on the audio, right click, delete it. It'll just make your file smaller if you really care. Okay, that's two ways to get rid of audio and two ways to get a PNG. That is it. See you later. Have a nice day.